I can get a little saucy. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Triple prep, triple step, triple step. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Triple walk, 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 walk. Triple step. 1, 2. I started off left to left. Leaders backs his truck up. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We always swing apart. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. We showed we can switch the hands on that triple, doing the same move. We can then go to handshake. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We can even do reverse handshake if we wanted. Move works with all the hands. We kind of settled into handshake as a fun for this move. We then add a prep. In, out, triple step, triple step. We can switch hands if we want. We can keep that hand. We then travel across on 4. 1, 2, 3, and cross. Triple step. 1, 2, triple step, triple step. That was just showing that you can travel your slot and whenever you want. We can also travel the slot as she spins. 1, 2, triple cross. Tripling in place, opening that hip. Triple prep. From here, she's ready to spin. Triple step, triple step. We then added a walkthrough. 1, 2, triple step, triple walk, 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 and we can pick up that hand. All 3 moves back to back look like this. It goes 1, 2, 3, and 4. We can switch the hands. We can switch them as many times as we want. Triple step, triple step. I can cross the slot. Triple step, triple step. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I can get a little saucy. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Triple prep, triple step, triple step. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Triple walk, 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 walk. Triple step. 1, 2. I've been DJ John Paul. This has been the lovely Donna.